Welcome to EdbMails, MBOX to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails MBOX to Office 365 Migrator offers a straightforward way to migrate data from offline MBOX files directly to Office 365. Whether your MBOX files are extracted from email clients like Thunderbird, Apple Mail, etc., EdbMails ensures a smooth migration of emails and attachments, while preserving the original structure and metadata. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the migration process, making it reliable and efficient for businesses of all sizes. EdbMails allows you to preview MBOX file contents before the migration operation. The software leverages advanced security features such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Compliant with industry standards like ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA, EdbMails guarantees a secure environment for migrating MBOX files, regardless of their source, to Office 365. Let's explore the step-by-step procedure for migrating MBOX files to Office 365 with EdbMails. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select MBOX to PST, MBOX to Office 365, MBOX to Exchange. Click Let's Go. Click Add Files. Select MBOX Files. Click Open. Click Continue. Click any folder to preview all the items. Select the file that you wish to migrate. Select Migrate to Office 365. Connect to Office 365 target server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required options to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will receive migration completion message. Click View Log button to get migration report. That's it. For effortless MBOX to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.